Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add products to Shopify in bulk. Let's get started. So in order to do this, as you can see, I have this product page right here. So what we can do is we just need to open a new tab and search in here for Shopify CSV. And in here, you can see this Help Center link, which is actually using CSV files, import and export products. Just click on this one. Then once I click on it, it will show you a step-by-step guide on how you can actually do this. Now, let's head over back to the search and then scroll down until you can see this sample product CSV file. So what you need to do is just click on this one in order to download it. Now, you can use Excel or Google Sheets in order to open it. As you can see, I opened it on Sheet and this is what it looks like. So for example, let's actually name this one. So these are the sample products for Shopify right here. So let's try to name it all right here. So in here, as you can see that I have this file. So what we can do is we can actually head over and rename it. Like for example, let's name it product. And then from in here, let's click on file. Then from in there, let's head over and then try to download it. So click on download and then from in here, just choose the CSV. So click on comma separated values and it will download this one. Then as you can see, once it's been downloaded, we should be able to head over again to Shopify. Then in here, you can see this import. So click on import right here. Then in here, you can import products by CSV. Let's just click on this add file. Then in here, let's click on this one. Then click on open. So in here, just click on upload and preview. And then this will actually load. And this is what it looks like. So they have here titles and all of that. Click on import products. And then they're currently importing the products from the store. So this may take some time to complete depending on how many products you want to import. So you just need to wait for this right here to finish the loading process. And as you can see, it has been added right here. And we have now seen these products that we have right here. So these are the actual products that we have, and you can just head over and edit it out however you want. Or you can also edit it out depending on the products that you have actually on your actual Excel or sheet. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, so please leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.